Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 156 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 22,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the metallic pearl black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the condition continues, so nice clean interior. The seats there are in really nice condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, cruise control, which is on the right hand side of the steering wheel there, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being an SUV, the Qashqai is a good car for the family, so nice wide door opening there at the back, a good amount of legroom and headroom, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there, nice and wide as well, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've also got a little bit of extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally the car comes with LED headlights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.